Hey guys, good morning. After a long time, I'll come and making the video for you. So today I'm decide to do bleach. That brand is OxyLife because a very long time I didn't do any kind of bleach on my face. So my face like is a little bit dull because I am riding the bike and I traveling a lot and got a tan also and little bit tan on my forehead and my chin. So let's do a bleach and let's take it how will be resulted. And first of all I will do one kind of face wash here. So I will do face wash, that is Nivea Delight face wash. So let's do it face wash, then I will do bleach. Step by step procedure I will share with you to continue and make sure to watch till the end. So finally I did front face wash. फेस वॉश मैंने निविया डिलाइट का यूज किया, यू कैन यूज इट. And now wipe out the water and let it dry first, then I will apply bleach. And I am gonna to open this is tiny pack of OxyLife Bleach. So this is cost only 50 rupees. It's so much affordable and that is very small. You can use only once, I think, if you have big face like me. And this is the activator. Use very few activator. And I got this instruction card. Then this is stapler. And one more thing, that is the radiant natural radiance. This is I think post bleach we can apply this serum on after bleaching for hydration, because after bleaching your face will be literally so dry. And this is the box, useless. So let's one thing I would like to share with you, if you have fair skin, and if you have fair skin, then you will add 1-3% of activator and more than 50 minutes you have to apply on your face. If you have darker skin tone, and then you have to apply more than 50 minutes and apply 1/4 activator. Okay. And if you have fair skin, then if you have a whitish skin, then you will add little a very pinch of. And but I have the fair skin and mixtures of little patches on darker part, so I will add this much amount. Yes, this much amount is enough for me. And now, oh, be careful, this is activator. And this is stapula. So now you simply mix it. Oh, be careful, simply mix it. Mix at least to 30 seconds, and after mixing this you will wait at least to 1 minute, then apply it. मैनेजर, इतनी देर से आने की हिम्मत कैसे हुई? चलो काम पे लग जाओ. न्यास काटो, आलू छीलो, झींगा की नसें निकालो. So friend, after I think 10 minutes it will totally activated. Now bleach is totally activated. Now I will apply on my face, apart from my hair, like eyebrows, like mustache. You should not apply on your hair, and as well as your eye. You should take distance from your eyes, and its smell is very sting and very worse. So you can use candle and fragrance candle or agarbatti. You can use it, and room freshener you have to, you can apply it. So friend, I applied all over my face except from my beards and my eyebrows, and wait 15 minutes, and then I will wash it, then I will show you result. It side effect a hair redness on my face, so it will be resume few after few hours. You should keep some precaution, like you should not apply soap on your face immediately after bleach, and then you should not apply any kind of chemicals, face wash, harsh chemicals on your face after bleaching. Also, you should avoid to go in sunlight after just did with bleach. Okay, so little redness is also there, but my skin is so refreshing and energetic.